Good morning. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, 2024. I am here at Doctors Lake Marina. This is Homo Wave. I'm not quite finished. I still have just a little bit left, but I wanted to show you exactly how extreme this water line has been. I've been here for quite a while, and this is just the last bit. I am going to clean it and get you an after video, but I do want to show you just what it is versus what it's going to be. That's currently what I've been getting. So, I do want to point out that there is a lot of rubbing away of the waterline paint. It's just not as strong as it used to be, so that's why it's taken me so long. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, get you a full after video, and yeah, we'll go from there.